Depending on the look you want, it doesn't have to be super clean. Maybe you want more of a feathered brow. I'm not going to go too harsh with the concealer today because I really do like the look of her natural brows. I'm going to do the same on the other side. So just follow underneath what you've already done and just clean it up a little bit more. We're also going to bring the concealer down onto the eyelids because this will prime for our eyeshadow. So we're going to put it down here. And the same here. Just to clean up the brows a bit more. And next we're going to take a blending brush, just like this, fluffy but not too loose, still quite dense, and we're just going to go around where we've done the concealer and we're just going to blend it all out now and really focus on the blending. And what I like to do, when it gets too harsh in the middle, maybe you've put too much product here and you want to get that faded ombre kind of brow, just get the concealer, blend it down the middle, and then rub it into the start of your brow and at the top here, just to get that faded effect. And you keep doing it until you get your desired look, but don't be afraid to blend. You can always go back after and adjust. I'm gonna do the same here, but just keep blending and fading it out. Don't be afraid to add more product as well if you feel like you've blended too much. Just the top of the brow here. I'm gonna blend the other eye too. You don't want any harsh lines. Keep blending until the concealer lines are faded and you've got your brow.
Good. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, but just. Yeah.